Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine. Welcome in your English class. Dear student, today we are going to revise story number 9, The Thresh Girl. Word synonym. Word crumb. Synonym grain. Word burn. Synonym shelter. Word buried. Synonym hide or cover. Question number 1. What did grandmother teach the child? Answer. The grandmother taught the child how to understand thrushes, moles and bees. Question number 2. How did the animal help the child? Answer. The thrushes saved the girl from being burnt. Number 2. Bees saved her from men with eggs. Number 3. Moles freed her from the tower. Dear student, your homework is memorize word synonym and also memorize question 1 and question 2. Send your memorization work with the spelling in WhatsApp group. Hope you understand. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.